Hi all, welcome to Upskill Mafia, where you would be learning complete full stack web development from scratch to advanced for completely free. So let's get started. First, please open this URL in your laptop or PCs so that you can reach to this dashboard. It's upskillmafia.com/learn/dashboard. And once you reach here, just click on this join campus button so that you can land to this campus where exactly you will be coming and learning full stack web development. So now let me just quickly tell you how this whole campus works and how you would be learning here. If I zoom in, so yeah, you can zoom in using your touchpad or your mouse scroll bar. And if I zoom in, you can see here's my cute little avatar, which I can move anywhere by using my arrow keys, or I can double click and it would take me there. Further, you can see here's my aura around this avatar, the white space. So basically this aura is used to connect to other members in this campus. So I can just go near to Akash and I will be connected to him. So I can just unmute myself or uh, turn on my video or I can even chat. And if I move away from him after this, I would get disconnected. So right, so those who would be connected by this aura, they would be able to talk to each other and hear each other. Now, further, this whole campus has three halls: event hall, learning hall, and challenge hall. In the event hall, basically all the events happens like hackathons, webinars, group challenges, or any other fun events. In the learning hall, you would be learning, you would be starting your learning journey and you would be accessing the content as well as the task. And in the challenge hall, we have some practice things as well as the mentor room. So in case if you face any doubts, you can directly go there and ask any doubts from the mentors. And then finally we have this gaming arena where you can go and play multiplayer games. Now let's explore all of this one by one. So in the event hall you can see there's a stage area where uh, around 100 plus people can come and they all would be connected with each other. So I need not be near to anybody. I can just go to the stage and I would be connected to these people. And if I move out of this green area, I would be disconnected. So everybody who would be in this area, they would be connected with each other. Further, there are these discussion rooms. So these are basically, you can say, a breakout rooms where around 5 to 6 people can come and they can discuss, and nobody outside them would be able to hear. Going forward, let's come to the learning hall. Now here you can see, if I zoom in, you can see there are a lot of tables where task is written, and there are a lot of chairs, right? So I can go to any of these chairs, like I need to just double click there, and to access the lectures as well as the assignments, I just need to click on the open as button here at the bottom, if you can see, or I can also press X button right after sitting on the chair. So I can click on this open as button and this screen would open up. Now here you can see we have everything mentioned about the lectures, the tasks and all. So let me just explain it to you. So we are covering everything from scratch, wherein you would be first setting your environment, then HTML, CSS, then there is a CSS group project, then JavaScript, then JavaScript project, right? Then React project, and then full stack like Node.js, Express, and MongoDB. So this is how this whole curriculum is. And now to access the task as well as the lectures, I just need to click on this view task slash lectures option, and I can access the lectures in both languages, Hindi as well as English. So to access the lecture, just click on the play button here and the lecture would play. And after watching the lecture, then I can click on this view task button. So I can just open this and the task would open up. So this is how the task is written, and you can just do the task whatever is mentioned. It's the first task, and then you can submit the task here in this link. So you can see that we have divided this whole curriculum into majority of tasks, right? Like there are total 28 tasks which you would be doing, and with these 28 tasks you would be learning complete full stack web development, and you would be taken from scratch to the advanced level where you would be internship ready after just doing these tasks. So this is how the learning hall works. Now let's come to this dashboard which I made you open at the starting. So here you can see there are variety of things. I have some points here, I have a leaderboard, and then I have a calendar or maybe learning streak here, right? So for every task that you would submit, as I told, there are 22 tasks and then group project as well as there are some challenges. So in every task you do, you would get some points, some XPs with which you can increase your level. So right now I am at the first level and a bronze 3, and you can increase your level and you can increase your leagues, right? And on the basis of your points, you can also climb up the leaderboard. So these are the top 10 people which you can see with these many experience points. And here at the bottom, you can see your rank, the current rank with the points that you would have. And then at the bottom, you have this streak. So if you come in daily, you would be able to maintain your streak. So I have been coming regularly since 35 days. So I have 35 days streak. So this is a great way to keep you disciplined and motivated, right? And here's the task section. So here you can see the feedback that the mentors would give you after you submit the task. So our mentors review every task that you submit and then approve it, and also give you the feedback on those tasks. And here you can see the different experience point each task would provide you, right? So this is how it would work. Now finally coming back to the challenge hall. So here you can see there are some challenges which you can similarly access by clicking at the open apps button below. And then finally, this is the gaming arena, where if I go at the bottom, I can click on play games, and there are a variety of multiplayer games which I can choose from to play. So I can bring in other peers or other friends from the campus here, and I can play any of these games. So this was it about this whole platform. You can start learning right away. Just open this dashboard, and from here itself, everything would you would be able to do it. All the best.